There was a time the world was in awe when one and only one name was hailed by every child and the elderly, by every man and woman, by mothers and fathers. He was loved by the oppressed and feared by the oppressor. He never gave out his alter ego. He was swift as an eagle, and just as swiftly his name spread all over. He becomes a symbol of agility, intelligence, and rapid change. His name was Xarkar. He was born in Caravan, but he was an honor to the entire nation. To render justice to the poor, neither was he a king nor a beggar, he was just an Afghan. His bravery, virtue, and spirit were unparalleled. His stories of courage set examples for the children and youth of the country. Xarkar's victories against the foreign invasions and traitors became a symbol of valor that shielded the country in the 19th century. Thus his name was engraved in gold in legendary folk tales. His stories of heroism and hope passed from city to city until they spread across the nation. They were recounted over the centuries from generation to generation until our times. And today we are telling you his stories in this series to inspire you so that you know who Xarkar really was. Get Xarkar from our website and Amazon only.